Brad Williams, XL primed. Show only the second measurement in a new list. I use the word measurement for lack of any other term. 14 feet would be measurement 1, 24 feet would be measurement 2. What we're looking at text after. What are our parameters? Well, we have our B5, which is our data, our text. BX is our delimiter in true. What does true represent? Case sensitivity. Note that we're showing only X's in this example. Other examples, we may have multiple measurements. Perhaps we have 3 measurements, 14 feet by 24 feet by 10 feet. And one of the X's is cap X, or they're all cap X, or a mixture of cap X. And we want to decipher or grab the information after a specific delimiter. Here, we're using case insensitive. What does that mean? It means we can have anything in between our measurements, any X, and we're still going to be able to separate the information after the X. You have to be extremely careful when you're doing this. The layout is critical for 2 reasons. Notice the X, there's a space in between. If you elect to just put X in there without spaces, you're going to get a space 24 feet. So you don't want that. Also, recognize when you have other arguments, you can leave a specific argument off of your function. Here we have an empty space, then we have true. If we need to grab the 6th argument or the 5th argument, we break that up using commas and fill it in with whatever requirement you have. It takes practice. You need to incorporate this stuff in order to get whatever output objective is. Experiment with this, read this, reread the anatomy information, take a close look at the functionality of each argument and how you think you can improve this information if you want to pull the information before or after. Well, this is text after. We have another tool that will pull the information before. Take one step at a time. Brad Williams, XL Prime, see you soon.